I'll show you how to replace the battery on your Galaxy S7. All you have to do, just hit it up the sides and then try to remove the back cover. Mine is kind of already like removed, so you can already did it like a few times. So just start from the sides and then just hit it up pretty good. Use like a heat blower or something. So this stuff comes off pretty easy on mine because I already removed like a few times. Just be careful, don't damage this thing. So just go lightly around the edges. As you can see, there's gonna be like a double-sided glue or adhesive, I don't know, whatever it is, like as you can see on the sides mostly. And then you'll need to remove this wireless charging pad. You'll need to lift it up. And then there's gonna be a bunch of screws all the way around. You'll need to remove them all. Okay, I removed all the pretty much screws. Almost all. Okay. Now I just need to start lifting up this plastic. From this side I can start. As you can see, it comes off like there's one piece and there's gonna be like almost 3 pieces all the way around. As you can see, there's one more. There's total 3 of them. I guess there's more screws. Yep, there's one more. And that's why it didn't come off so easy. Yeah, if it doesn't come off pretty easy, so make sure you removed all of the screws. Okay, here's the battery. There's the connector for it right here. It's pretty easy. You can just start from one of the sides. Just make sure you don't damage the battery. Be careful, because it can catch on fire. It's pretty easy. It happened to me like a few times already. So just start from the both sides and it comes off. You have adhesive right here and on this side. And then just once you get a new battery, just install it back in and then make sure this cable is plugged into the main one right here. And then the first part goes in first. Here's the first part. This is the second, the wireless charging. Here it is. It'll be glued to the battery a little bit. So you'll need to remove that one too. You might need to lift it up because this one goes under a little bit. As you can see right here. And now just the last piece right here goes in. This one, as you can see, they have to go in like this way first, and then you're back in. Now screw all the screws back in. Just like you unscrew them all. Okay, I guess all of them screwed in back. Now this thing back in, and now just glue your back cover in. You can reuse some glue or adhesive, whatever you have. Just stick it back in on the sides and just press really hard. Mine is pretty bad. I'm gonna replace for a new one. But you can see, like, it just goes back in. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.